Hey guys, welcome back to another market analysis video. So in this video, I'm going to analyze Nifty, Wipro, TCS, ONGC, GSPL, and Mahindra and Mahindra. Starting with Nifty. Okay, so before starting with Nifty, let's see what the market today has to tell us. Okay, so Nifty gave a closing 156 point. Like Nifty was up 0.87%. Bank Nifty closed 0.74% up, and Reliance, which contributed a lot and to Nifty, and Reliance as a whole gave a closing about 2.67% up. And the overall sectors were quite positive. It was a bullish day today, but if you see just Nifty, uh, there isn't any wild move totally on the upside. It faced resistance at the same level, that is 18,210, 18,220, 18,230, between these levels. Okay, and even in the previous sessions back then, it faced. See, there's a resistance right over here. If we just go by this, okay, we can say that Nifty is currently at this level where it is unable to, or it is finding hard to breach these levels. Okay, so once this 18,250 is broken, then 18,300, 350 are the major points at which resistance can be faced by Nifty. Okay, and on the downside, if you find Nifty below these levels, that is 18,150, 160, you can definitely short Nifty. You can go short on Nifty till this level of 18,100 and 18,000. Okay, the major support for Nifty would be again 18,100, and the next support would be 18,000, 18,050 to be precise. Next is Wipro. Okay, now this is an intraday trade, and today Wipro announced its results, and currently Wipro's ADR is down in the US markets, and from where we can just simply guess that Wipro may give a cap down opening tomorrow. Okay, but I don't know how much cap down because it depends. Alright, so if it gives cap down opening and you find it between these levels, alright, possibilities that then Wipro may give a cap down opening here, okay, somewhere here, or maybe here as well. Okay, if you find in these levels, if these levels hold true, then you can short Wipro at this level 676.80 till the target of 661.80. You can place the stop loss right over here at 682.95. This rate amounts to almost 2%. Okay, so you can go for it. You can keep Wipro in your watch list because it can be an important day for Wipro tomorrow. All right, so this is just because Wipro's ADR is currently down. Okay, and that gives us an idea, intuition that tomorrow Wipro may again test these lower levels because these are the constant, or rather the important supports the Wipro may test. All right, next is TCS. TCS, coming to TCS now. TCS even today has given posted its results, and the results are quite positive. And and again, same going with the same logic. TCS ADR are currently positive. They are running positive in the currently up in the US markets, and the levels at which you can enter TCS. If you find TCS between these range, then you can take trade at 3903.65. This can be your entry point. The second target would be 3929.55, and the last target would be this high, that is 3970. And once this all-time high is broken, then you can definitely take TCS, or you can keep TCS in your, if you're going to trade positionally, then after breaking of all-time high, you can definitely keep it, okay, for at least 2 days. Okay, so this is a trade for TCS, and this amounts to almost 1.7%. Not a bad trade, it's a kind of good trade, and the stop loss has been predetermined, that is 3877.70, and the second target is 3970, and the first target is 3929.55. Again, coming to ONGC. Okay, so if I just see ONGC currently continuously, it is an up move. It's quite bullish. You see, there is a gap up opening, and there was quite bullishness. It didn't test these levels below. It was again an uptrend. All right. So it is doing the same thing now. We need to catch this move. The simple thing is we need to catch this uptrend. What we need to do is, once this high is broken, okay, once this high is broken, if ONGC opens sideways, okay, if it opens gap up and it comes down to retest at this levels, then you can definitely add, or you can definitely take a trade in ONGC at level 165.70. This would be your entry point, and your target would be 169.65. Stop loss being 164.05. Okay, this trade amounts to almost 2.3%. Okay, so you can definitely go for this if there's a quite good bullish I mean, there's a good amount of buying volume and the trade is entirely bullish. Okay, another strategy that you can use in this is let the 9:15 to 9:30 wala time go, and you can enter once high is broken. Okay, the 15 minutes high is broken, then you can definitely enter the trade. And if it trails, if it comes down to levels below, then you can completely ignore it. Okay, I'm quite bullish on ONGC as of now, and 169.65 would be my target. Next is JSPL. Coming to JSPL again, after breaking of this high, that is 332.50, I will enter the trade and I will enter this stock and I will definitely hold it till the second level of 339.65. Stop loss being 329.10. Currently it consolidated, and if possibly if there's a gap up opening tomorrow between at these levels, I'll just show you using a path. If there's a gap opening somewhere here and it goes by these levels, then you can enter at this point. Okay, the levels are given. 334 is a small target and the second target is 313.65. This amounts to almost 2% on a bad trade, provided that there has to be a good buying volume and the high is broken with good volumes. Next is Mahindra and Mahindra. Now Mahindra and Mahindra was very bullish today, and if you see the volumes, buying volume was quite high compared to the previous sessions. And even the previous session in consolidated for many days, okay, and faced this resistance. Finally broke this resistance of 850, and it is currently in uptrend. All right, so this was the first day of the breakout. There has to be a second day where Mahindra and Mahindra will again give a rally on the upside. So the second is tomorrow, and if possibly Mahindra and Mahindra breaks this high of today, then you can definitely enter this trade till the target of 894.45 being your first target. The second target is 901. This trade amounts to almost 1.96%, and your stop loss is at 878.80. Provided that there has to be good buying volume and this high has to be broken with good volumes. Alright, so these are the four trades, five trades, and this one Nifty, and these are the four stocks and one Nifty. So overall six trades. So you can definitely look at them. Okay, but personally, on personal bias, I would just not recommend Nifty to trade as of now. Okay, so okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do share and subscribe. And if anybody of you is interested to learn about the stock market from the scratch, I will leave my phone number in the description. You can contact me anytime. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video.